Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create an envelope in our Microsoft Word document. Yes, very important. Interesting. I'm going to be guiding you through this particular area. All right. If you notice, this itself is our Microsoft Word document. All right. So I want to actually use up the envelope. Right. So we're going to come right up here. That's a mailing. All right. You want to click on the word mailing right here. If you notice, you come to the left of the screen. This is the word envelope. You're going to click on it. Now, when you click on it, a section here which appear. Just look at the dialog box. You can put the cursor here. You can move it, put it anywhere you want it to put it. Right? So if you notice right here, it's a label envelope, delivery address right here. Notice you can add electronic postcard right here, return address. You have different stuff right here. Right here is right? Posted property right there, so you can add to the Microsoft Word document, or you can print it directly. But what I want to, we're going to add it to the document that I can see exactly what to go. So the delivery address now we're going to put 234 Mike Street. All right. So right here is the return address. So we're going to put right, right here. Definitely right here. So if you notice right here, you click right here. Now, when I click right here, notice right here, face up or face down, right? So when you're going to put the envelope actually into the printer, you choose if you want to go to this angle, right? Make it print at the bottom. I want to put right here, put in the middle, right? You notice different size, different type right here. And then I press OK. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press here, add to document so that I can actually see it right here. You say, do you want to see the return address? All right. So definitely I will say no right here. All right. Notice this itself is the envelope itself. You notice? All right. Good. So definitely you can actually do this and print it. So this is the way you actually add an envelope right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.